All right, let's try that again. So I've got almost everything connected. I just have to do the power, right? Everything's connected. These fuses are all good. Nothing's blowing. That one that the mechanic said kept on blowing, I don't know what he's talking about. Never had an issue. I got the wire back in that he was talking about. The crazy thing is, something's changed. I put in a fender, right? I made the connection, right? Everything's grounded. The old fender was disconnected right here. It had a break. I think I had a grounding issue. That was one issue, right? Now I've got something else. Check this. So I got the ECU wire connected, right? I know it's open, but everything's connected. All right, check this out. Watch this. All right. Got power. Coming over. All right. The door is open. I will turn that off so I have no lights unnecessary. I've got that. All right, I got my key fob because they said in case something happens, it's always good to have the key fob right beside it. All right, I'm gonna put my foot on the brake. All green. Now watch this. I get all the lights, right? And now I've got fewer lights than before, but I got this still blinking, this still blinking. The immobilizer lights are gone. The security light is gone. But when I let go, right? Check this. I got a sound coming from somewhere over here. I don't know where it's coming from. Somewhere down here. Is it the starter? It's not the fuse box. Where would that be? What could that sound be?